It's been a real pleasure presenting you with all these recipes, all these dishes. I've had a really good time doing all this. I was a bit nervous at the beginning, but I think I'm okay now. And this is the end of our first season, and season 2 will begin at the beginning of June. You can still see my blogs, my tips on Facebook, and if there's anything that you need or anything you need to ask, please message me. I will get back to you, and I'll see you in June. Hi guys, my name is Shaiwana and this is Cooking with Shaiwana. Special coating of butter to the fish, which is very spicy. Listen to it. Oh my god! No. Okay, alright. I'm going.
Hi guys.
My name is Shaiwana and this has been Cooking with Shaiwana. Bye guys.